Hey kids, you're watching Slothy's Cooking Show. Starring your best pal, Slothy! Hey kids, it's your favorite pal, Slothy! And welcome to my first appearance. I'm so happy to be here with you to start my own channel. Well, I'm in the Random KaJu's channel and I'm the new character. Yay! And welcome to my cooking show. And today we're gonna be making peanut butter and jelly and ham and cheese sandwiches. Sorry, I'm not like other sloths because I can move fast and I can talk normal. Oh, and here's the ingredients that you need. Some mayonnaise, some ham, some cheese. Well, I'm a vegetarian, so you can skip that if you're vegetarian. And we also got some grape jelly and peanut butter. You can also use strawberry jelly, however you like. Oh, we also need some bread. Now let's get started. First, you need 2 plates. One for the peanut butter and jelly, and one for the ham and cheese. You need 2 plates, and you gotta have it clean like this. Yeah, you see this nice, smooth, shiny stuff? It's supposed to be clean. Like, you need a clean plate. You don't want the germs to get in here, kids. Okay, now let's get to the cooking part. Okay, the first sandwich we're gonna make is ham and cheese sandwiches. So what you gotta be taking is 2 breads. Well, sorry, as you can see my fingers are claws, so I can't be doing this, so I'll be having Joanna Espinosa to help. Okay, Slothy, so we're gonna take 2 breads like this, and we take it to the toaster there. Here. Okay, Slothy, you're ready. For this other plate right there, we're gonna be making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. So you gotta take, this time I'm gonna do it, gonna take 2 breads, and you don't have to bake them or toast them. You have to have it like this, just like that. There you go. Great, isn't it? And now the toast is waiting right here, and bye-bye. Mr. Espinosa, sir? Okay, now we gotta go to the toaster. And we gotta take 1 bread. And you gotta put it in here. Just like that. Now, you gotta take another bread and put it in the toaster like this. Just like that. And put it down. But first, we gotta check the thermometer. See this? Okay, kids, this here's a thermometer. And we gotta turn it into about 3. Over there. Now pull the lever. And add bagel. See, so that would be taste golden. Now, you gotta be waiting. And see you there. Wow! The toast is ready! So you go over here, and wow, it looks amazing. You pull the lever, and I'll let Human Man do it. Okay. I'm Human Boy, actually. See that? All nice and hard, solid. Same with this one. Nice and hard. Be careful, and solid. Just like that. Now you see? You got 2 breads. Excellent, Mr. Espinosa. And now,
let's start the ingredients.
excellent, Mr. Piggy. And now we got all the ingredients here. You're a good boy. Now, let's start. Okay. Now the first thing you need to do is to spread the lettuce. Next, you have to put the cheese, and then the ham. Well, I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat the ham. Instead, I'll be using another cheese slice. but you can use a ham if you want to. Anyway, let's get started. And since I don't have any lettuce, we'll use eucalyptus leaves. I found it's from an Australian rainforest, but I'm not from Australia, I'm from South America. Anyway, let's get started. So all you gotta do is to spread the mayonnaise into the bread, just like that. And then, you have to do it like this. Don't make a mess. Don't be like me, okay? Just like that. You see, it's nice. You gotta take it all the corners, just like that. Nice. And you do the same in there. In this other bread. See how nice it is? Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. See that? Just like that. Next, all you gotta do is to put in cheese. Now my picky friend here is gonna help. Wow, what a masterpiece! You done well, Mr. Piggy. You deserve a pat on the back. Now, let's go get the eucalyptus leaves. And then, okay, you take a eucalyptus leaf, like this. Sorry, they're hard to get. Careful that you do not spill. Ah, like that. And then put it here, just like that. Nice. Wow, I feel like I'm in the rainforest again. You take another eucalyptus leaf and put it here. There you go. Now it's time for a delicious peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Don't try this at home, kids. Not done. Now, as you can see, I'm spreading peanut butter on the sandwich, thanks to the Incredible Hulk by opening these cans. Thanks, Hulk! Anywho, I got the peanut butter here. Like this. Now, spread the peanut butter, the nut butter. Anyways, and there you go, just like that. Looks nice after all. Okay, now, time for the grape jelly. Okay, just put the grape jelly right here. Just like that. Squish it just like that. If you're careful, you can do this.
Sir, I think that's enough jelly.
Oh, okay. Thanks for reminding me, Tony Stark. There you go. Now thanks. Now this is how you make a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So here we have it, kids. A delicious peanut butter jelly sandwich with a delicious eucalyptus leaf and cheese sandwich. Now let's dig in. Oh! So delicious. No, let's try this one. Oh! Wait a second. What's inside my sandwich? Oh, well done, Mr. Piggy. You deserve a pat on the back. Good Piggy. Okay, wow, he's an artiste. Next, you take the look of this. Oh, the toast is ready!
Yeah.
Now, it's time for the delicious ham and cheese sandwich.
What?
That's the delicious ham and cheese. As you can see, we got ourselves some delicious peanut butter and jelly ham and cheese. Not again.